are going to now do the wrap-up. It's been quite a journey. Thank you for staying with us. I also want to thank the speakers who've been preparing for today, their material, and who've been available to present in this session. So big thank you, everyone, also for keeping the time. I think we've been doing reasonably good on that, and that's thanks to the discipline of all of you. So thank you very much. Regarding the Q&A, so as we said, we are going to come back to you with a detailed Q&A. So for the 2 sessions, it will be a document that we are going to share along with the video, and that will also allow you to have, let's say, more detailed answers from the right experts for each of the questions that you ask. And of course, I will invite you to engage with us and with the association if you want to everything will be, I mean, the video, etc., will be all available on the YouTube channel of the association, and we completely invite you to share that on the social media and with email with all the colleagues that you think might be interested. So different ways that you can keep in touch with the association and the ecosystem moving forward. So we have our website. By the way, we are also phasing out the 𝘂𝘀𝘁𝗍𝗂 AI website that will just focus on, let's say, presenting the legacy of this program. And now all the activities taking place on the website of the Trustworthy AI Association. So the catalog, the portfolio has been migrated to this new website. Of course, you've got the LinkedIn account of the association that you can follow. We are posting regular updates. We have a community newsletter that we're going to reboot this year. We also have the monthly @RAS seminar. So it's really scientific seminars where researchers present their ongoing work in the domain of course, Trustworthy AI. And we are preparing for the next Trustworthy AI Summit. So this is the only event that we do in person, and we are able to meet face to face. So it shall be in Netherlands. We are organizing it together with TNO, and likely in November 2026. So of course, if you need anything, want to learn more, you can reach out at the email address contact@theassociation.eu. And of course, the best way to enjoy and to benefit from everything we do is to join the association if you are not a member yet, and to take part in all the activities and working groups that I have been also introducing. Final words for today. So we want to hear from you about this session. Always looking forward to improving our events and our communication. So we have prepared a short survey here. You will also have the link in email. So if you fill up too, we invite you to provide us with some feedback so we can improve and prepare the next edition of the Digital Factory Day. We are already thinking about increasing the frequency of these meetups and doing maybe quarterly, something like that. We've received requests from some of our industrial members. So we are probably going to evolve the format, so it will be best done with your feedback. So appreciate if you can share it with us. Yes, final word, some credits, because we've been using a lot of icons from that are licensed, and so we have made all the credits here as well in the presentation. So that concludes our session for today. Thanks again for your participation, your attention. Looking forward to engaging with you all in one of our future events. I wish you a wonderful end of your day on the planet. So good evening in Europe, and rest of your day if you are in another time zone. And see you next time. Bye-bye.